2012, Ron G. Mar L. Malinaw, Buwak, Marinduque. Special Project, Internet Cafe Mobile Monitoring System. As of October 2012, Riz T. Oliveros, Lucena City. Special Project, Mobile Job Search. Sarah K. N. Sinag, Lucena City. Special Project, Mobile and Web-Enabled Class Management Assistance System. As of March 2013, Jima S. Batingal, Calamba City. Special Project, Electrical Switching Device with Voice Command and Voice Notification using Arduino and Android application. Dinalin D. Duwag, Bawan, Batangas. Special Project, With Kids, an educational and interactive game for kids ages 3 to 5. Thuyen T. Ho, Tay Nguyen, Vietnam. Special Project, Android-based English enhancement application for Vietnamese students. Ly Nam Huy, Tay Nguyen, Vietnam. Special Project, Web and mobile-based prepaid card loading station. Tran Lam, Tay Nguyen, Vietnam. Special Project, Development of a collaborative web-based real estate management system. Tuan Triul Le, Tay Nguyen, Vietnam. Special Project, Development of Customer Relationship Management System using web technology. Chi Min Yu Long, Tay Nguyen, Vietnam. Special Project, Development of Enrollment and Grade Interim Mobile Application. Master of Arts in Science Education, as of October 2012, Jenny H. Munoz, Lucena City. Thesis, Development and Evaluation of Strategic Intervention Materials in Science 5 for Candelaria Elementary School, Main Campus. Master of Science in Criminology, as of March 2012,